Facebook Ads for Legal Consultants 2023, Step-by-Step Tutorial Updated. Learn how to create highly effective Facebook ads specifically tailored for legal consultants in this comprehensive step-by-step tutorial. By implementing the strategies outlined in this video, you'll be able to drive substantial traffic and acquire more clients. It's crucial to pay attention to every detail, as Facebook's advertising landscape for legal consultants has evolved significantly in recent times. Skipping any part of this tutorial could put your ad at risk of being disabled or result in a complete block of your Facebook ad account. Throughout this tutorial, I will break down the key changes that have occurred in the past year, providing you with concise and easy-to-follow instructions. By the end of the video, you'll have a fully optimized ad ready to attract leads within 24 hours. It's my aim to ensure your success, so make sure not to miss a single second of this tutorial. I want to share an important update before we dive into the tutorial. If you'd rather not spend money on Facebook ads or if it seems too complicated, I have an exciting solution for you. Click the link in the comments below to book a call with our team. During the call, we'll provide a personalized demo of our game-changing software. For just $99 per month, our software brings in clients 24/7 without spending a dime on Facebook ads. Over 10,000 legal consultants have found it to be indispensable when it comes to generating new referrals and attracting clients. Anyways, click that link in the comments and book your demo with my partner Nick, and you can see more. Now, on to today's tutorial. Now, without further ado, let's explore step-by-step how to create a highly effective Facebook ad specifically designed for legal consultants. This ad is not only geared towards attracting clients but also generating leads for your practice. It's a creative approach that has proven successful in acquiring a significant number of leads from potential clients in need of legal services. Follow along with me as I share my screen and guide you through this transformative journey. Remember, running a successful ad campaign can make a substantial difference for your legal consultancy, so let's get started and unlock the power of Facebook advertising for your business. Access Facebook Ads Manager. On the left-hand side of your Facebook page, locate and click on Ads Manager. If you don't see it there, click on See More and scroll down until you find it. If you haven't set up your business manager for running ads previously, you'll need to do that first. Create a new campaign. In the Facebook Ads Manager, click on Create Campaign. We'll focus on lead generation to ensure we generate quality leads that will lead to new clients. Select Manual Leads Campaign. Facebook offers streamlined and tailored best practice lead recommendations, but for more control and better results, we'll choose the Manual Leads Campaign option. This allows us to have maximum control over our lead generation campaign. Name your campaign. It's important to name your campaign appropriately for easy tracking and analysis. Let's use the example of legal consultancy leads, start date. Naming your campaign accurately will help you keep track of its performance and avoid confusion when analyzing data. Set campaign parameters. Now, let's move on to setting the campaign parameters. You'll need to define your target audience, budget, and ad creative. Make sure to specify your target location and demographics relevant to your legal consultancy's target market. Craft engaging ad creative. Create compelling ad content that highlights the benefits and unique selling points of your legal consultancy. Use high-quality visuals and persuasive copy to grab the attention of potential clients. Test and optimize. Once your campaign is live, monitor its performance closely. Analyze the data provided by Facebook Ads Manager and make necessary adjustments to optimize your campaign. This may involve tweaking targeting parameters, ad creative, or budget allocation. Track leads and close deals. As leads start coming in, track their progress and engage with potential clients promptly. Provide excellent customer service, answer inquiries, and nurture leads to convert them into closed deals. Remember to follow up with leads and maintain a consistent communication channel to build trust and rapport. Measure results and refine. Continuously monitor the performance of your Facebook ad campaign. Use the data provided by Facebook Ads Manager to evaluate the effectiveness of your ads and make data-driven decisions. Adjust your targeting, ad creative, or budget allocation based on the insights gained to optimize your results. Utilize retargeting strategies. Implement retargeting campaigns to re-engage with potential clients who have previously shown interest in your legal consultancy. By targeting this warm audience, you increase the chances of conversion and can tailor your ads to address their specific needs and concerns. Stay compliant with Facebook's policies. Ensure that your ad content and targeting comply with Facebook's advertising policies and guidelines. Familiarize yourself with the rules surrounding legal and ethical practices in advertising for legal consultants. Failure to adhere to these policies can result in your ads being disapproved or your ad account being penalized. Keep up with industry updates. Stay informed about any changes or updates in Facebook's advertising policies and features relevant to legal consultants. Continuously educate yourself on best practices, emerging trends, and new opportunities within the Facebook advertising platform to stay ahead of the competition and maximize your results. As a legal consultant, implementing effective Facebook ads can significantly boost your client acquisition efforts. By following this step-by-step tutorial and adapting the strategies to your legal consultancy, you'll be well equipped to create highly effective Facebook ads that attract clients and generate leads. Remember, consistency, optimization, and a thorough understanding of your target audience are key to success. After accepting the terms, we need to ensure that we select the special ad category that is still required for certain industries, including legal consultants. This category helps provide a better user experience and ensures compliance with Facebook's advertising policies. Remember to choose the country where you'll run the campaign, such as the United States or Canada. Moving on to the different sections of creating a Facebook ad for legal consultants, we have the campaign, ad set, and ad itself. Each section plays a crucial role in the overall success of your ad campaign. In the campaign section, our objective is to generate leads for your legal consultancy. You don't need to worry about A/B testing or advanced campaign budget optimization. Simply select the lead generation objective and proceed to the next step. Next, in the ad set section, name your ad set accordingly. For example, you can use legal consultancy leads, location. This name helps define your target audience, whether they are individuals seeking legal advice, businesses, or a specific category of clients. Remember, this section is where you set your targeting parameters, budget, and options like custom audiences, lookalike audiences, and retargeting. Now, let's focus on the ad section itself, where you create the ad content. Since we're aiming for lead generation, we'll stick with the instant form option, which asks people to fill out a form to generate leads. This form typically converts better than driving traffic to a website. Make sure to connect your Facebook page and accept the terms for Meta Lead ads. This step ensures that your lead generation ad is set up correctly and that you can run it seamlessly. At this point, you're well on your way to creating a powerful Facebook ad campaign for your legal consultancy. In the following steps, we will proceed to fine-tune your targeting, optimize your ad creative, and monitor its performance to ensure optimal results. Remember to stay attentive to any updates or changes in Facebook's ad policies and regulations. This will help you stay compliant and make the most of your advertising efforts. If you operate in a specific local area, consider adjusting your targeting radius accordingly. Facebook may have minimum requirements for special ad categories, but optimizing your reach within your target market can be beneficial for legal consultants. When it comes to placements, you have the option to choose advanced or streamlined placements based on your budget and goals. Advanced placements allow you to show your ads across multiple placements, gathering more data and insights. Streamlined placements, on the other hand, focus on core Facebook newsfeed and relevant placements to generate leads quickly. Remember that monitoring and analyzing the performance of your ads is crucial. Adjust your strategy based on the data and insights you gather to optimize your campaigns and achieve the best results for your legal consultancy. Now we'll proceed with setting up the ad within the ad set. First, let's discuss the budget for your legal consultancy ad. It's important to determine a budget that aligns with your objectives and resources. While the tutorial suggests a certain budget range for auto repair shops, you'll need to assess your own advertising goals and financial capabilities. Consider starting with a conservative budget and gradually increasing it based on the performance of your ads. Moving on, let's name the ad for your legal consultancy. Choose a name that reflects the purpose of the ad and helps you easily identify it. For example, you can use legal consultancy leads, city name, or any other naming convention that suits your business. Now, let's focus on the ad format. The tutorial suggests using a single image ad, which can be a straightforward and effective choice for legal consultants as well. However, feel free to explore other ad formats, such as video or carousel ads, if you have the resources and creative assets to do so. Select an ad format that allows you to convey your unique value proposition and engage your target audience effectively. Next, follow the tutorial to create the ad. Ensure that you include compelling visuals, persuasive ad copy, and a clear call to action that encourages potential clients to take the desired action, such as contacting your legal consultancy for a consultation or requesting more information. If you haven't connected your Instagram account yet, consider doing so to expand your reach and leverage Instagram's visual appeal. While Instagram may not be the primary platform for legal consultants, it can still be a valuable channel to showcase your expertise and build brand awareness. Once you've completed these steps, you're ready to launch your ad and start generating leads for your legal consultancy. Remember to closely monitor the performance of your ads, make data-driven adjustments as necessary, and continuously refine your targeting and messaging to optimize your campaigns. Keep in mind that the tutorial may have additional steps and details specific to the auto repair industry. Adapt the information provided to suit the unique needs and objectives of your legal consultancy. After crafting your primary text, headline, and CTA, it's time to create a lead form. Lead forms allow users to provide their contact information directly within the Facebook platform, making it easier for them to express interest or request more information. Name the form to reflect its purpose, such as Legal Consultancy Leads Contact Form. Follow the steps provided in the tutorial to set up your lead form, including selecting the fields you want to capture, example, name, phone number, email, adding a privacy policy link, and customizing the thank you screen users will see after submitting the form. Once you've created your lead form, you can save your progress and proceed to the next steps in the tutorial, which may include selecting the campaign objective, targeting your audience, and reviewing ad placement options. Remember to adapt the instructions to the context of your legal consultancy and modify any details as needed to suit your specific goals and preferences. Next, let's discuss some important considerations when setting up the lead form for your legal consultancy's Facebook ad campaign. In the tutorial, the presenter mentions some features that you don't need to worry about, such as customizing sections or telling your brand story through rich text visuals. These elements may not be necessary for your specific needs as a legal consultant. Instead, let's focus on optimizing the lead form for higher intent and better lead quality. One strategy is to include a review step in the form, giving people the opportunity to confirm their information before submission. This extra step might increase the cost per lead slightly but can result in higher quality leads. By providing clear instructions and using validation, you can ensure that users provide accurate and relevant information. When deciding between more volume and higher intent, consider your budget and goals. If you have a flexible budget and prioritize lead quality, opt for higher intent where users need to confirm their information. On the other hand, if you're a new legal consultancy with a limited budget, you might choose more volume initially to generate as many leads as possible. Now, let's move on to the customization options for the lead form. Facebook allows you to use a custom image as the background for your form. It's recommended to use a professional image or your legal consultancy's logo to establish brand consistency and credibility. In terms of the headline for the lead form, you can use a variation such as, "Get expert legal consultation today." Fill out the form to request a free case evaluation. Moving on to the questions in the lead form, it's generally advisable to include fields for the user's name, email, and phone number. These are essential for follow-up communication and lead nurturing. You can also consider adding a field for a brief description of the user's legal issue or any specific requirements they may have. Lastly, you need to include a privacy policy. To do this, navigate to your legal consultancy's website and locate the privacy policy page. Copy the URL of the privacy policy page and paste it into the designated field in the lead form settings. This ensures compliance with privacy laws and builds trust with users by assuring them that their information will be handled responsibly. By following these guidelines, you can optimize your lead form for generating high-quality leads for your legal consultancy. Remember to adapt the instructions to fit your specific business needs and ensure consistency throughout your ad campaign. Now, let's focus on the key elements specifically tailored for legal consultants who want to generate more sales. Here's how you can optimize your lead form. Review screen. Implementing a review screen in your lead form allows potential clients to review their information before submitting it. This step ensures that their contact details, such as their name, email, and phone number, are correct. It's crucial for follow-up purposes and helps maintain accurate client records. Message for leads. After clients submit their information, it's essential to provide a compelling message that encourages them to take action. Consider using a message like, "Thank you for choosing your legal consultancy name. Click below to schedule a consultation with our experienced legal team and get expert advice tailored to your specific needs." Call to action button. Customize the call to action button to match the action you want clients to take. For instance, you can use schedule consultation or get legal advice now to create a sense of urgency and entice clients to engage further. Relevant link. Determine the appropriate link to include in your lead form. Ideally, it should direct clients to a page on your website that provides more information about your legal services, areas of expertise, or client testimonials. Make sure the page is optimized for conversions and clearly highlights the value you provide. Description. In the description section, emphasize the benefits clients will receive by submitting their information. For example, gain peace of mind and expert legal guidance by submitting your information. Our experienced legal team is ready to assist you with a wide range of legal matters, providing personalized solutions and exceptional client service. Contact information. To further facilitate client inquiries and engagement, consider including your contact information in the message for leads. Encourage clients to reach out if they have any questions, need additional information, or want to schedule a consultation. Providing multiple contact options, such as your phone number, email address, and even social media handles, can enhance client convenience and accessibility. Remember, by optimizing your lead form with these relevant elements, you can effectively capture leads, nurture client relationships, and ultimately increase sales for your legal consultancy. As a legal consultant, your goal is to attract more clients and increase sales. It's crucial to implement effective strategies that can help you achieve this. One powerful approach is leveraging targeted advertising on platforms like Facebook and LinkedIn. By creating compelling ads that highlight your expertise and value proposition, you can capture the attention of potential clients and drive them to seek your legal services. Imagine showcasing your consultancy's unique selling points, such as your specialized legal knowledge, successful case results, and personalized approach. By highlighting these strengths in your ads, you'll stand out from the competition and attract clients who are seeking reliable legal consultation. It's important to optimize your ads for maximum impact. Utilize professional visuals, attention-grabbing headlines, and concise yet persuasive ad copy to convey your message effectively. Consider including client testimonials or case studies to build trust and showcase your consultancy's successful track record. By running targeted ads on these platforms, you can reach a wider audience of individuals who may be in need of legal advice or representation. As a result, you'll increase your chances of converting potential clients into paying ones. Remember, the key to successful advertising lies in crafting compelling messages that resonate with your target audience. Put yourself in the shoes of individuals who may be facing legal challenges or seeking guidance. Address their concerns and offer solutions that demonstrate your expertise and reliability. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to drop a comment below. As a legal consultant, it's crucial to stay informed about effective advertising strategies that can drive more clients to your business. And if you'd rather not spend money on Facebook ads, or if it seems too complicated, I have an exciting solution for you. Click the link in the comments below to book a call with our team. During the call, we'll provide a personalized demo of our game-changing software. For just $99 per month, our software brings in clients 24/7 without spending a dime on Facebook ads. Discover how our software can revolutionize your legal consultancy by automating client acquisition and boosting your sales. Don't miss out on this opportunity to take your business to the next level. Click the link in the comments below, book a call with our team, and see firsthand how our software can transform your client base and revenue streams. Invest in the future of your legal consultancy and let our software do the heavy lifting for you. Say goodbye to the complexities and costs of Facebook ads. Book your call now and unlock the potential of our 100% autopilot software to attract clients and grow your business.